Hello and welcome everybody to the GeoShare app. In this tutorial, we will be discussing how we can use this app, and if you want to come back to this tutorial again in the future, you can just simply click the YouTube icon at the top of the app. So let's get started. As you can see, the first tab where it says click to see your location. If you click on it, it will display your current location, which will be sent if anybody sends you an SMS. And this is the location that will be sent to the user that will be trying to reach out and find your location. In the second tab, you will be able to see the topmost contact, the first contact in your contacts list that sent you the most recent SMS. GeoShare works on the principle of safe code. In order for a person to get your location, he must send you the safe code in the SMS. So it is vital that you change your safe code and don't let any person other than the ones who you want to share your location with know the safe code. So please keep this secure and do not share it with unauthorized people. This is important, and the location cannot be fetched without this safe code, so please keep that in mind. So if you click on the third tab, we will be able to change the safe code. So let me select it and change the safe code to something I like and I will be using in this tutorial. So I will write code. This is going to be my safe code for now, and I click save. As I get the save prompt, there you go, and you can go back, and our work here is done inside the app. There's no need to do anything more. That's the setup. And now if you want to fetch this, we will show you in this example. Get another phone and type this safe code and send it to your self. Now I will type in the safe code in my other phone and send it to the GeoShare app installed phone and wait for a few seconds so that it is sent and received. And voila, we have the address and the coordinates, and that's how you get the location without any use of Wi-Fi. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any issues or suggestions, please type it down in the comment below or email at the support email that will be provided in the Google Play Store. Thank you for watching and goodbye.